Hi, I'm RoboDad, and welcome to my garage.
Hey kids, it's time for another episode of RoboDad's Doodle Garage.
Do you want to learn how to draw and paint? Do you want to be the best artist in your class? Well, you've come to the right place. It's almost Easter and I can't wait. RoboDad always gains a few extra pounds from all the candy the Easter Bunny brings him. Hey, do you want to learn how to draw the Easter Bunny? Well, grab a sheet of paper, your favorite pencil, and let's get started. Draw a couple of ovals for his ears, and then a few more ovals for his head. Here's his body. He's a tall Easter Bunny. Add 2 more ovals for his feet. No need to worry about detail right now, we'll add that later. He's holding an Easter basket, so let me sketch that in right now. It's okay to be a little messy, as long as you're being creative and having fun. Now let's start to add some detail. That's the secret to drawing. Start loose and sketchy and then add the detail later. Here's his nose and eyes. Oh, and don't forget about his big 2 front teeth. He eats carrots with those teeth. Just adding more and more detail. You can add as much or little as you want. Look, we're almost done. Now let's take a darker pencil to finish him off. This pencil is made from softer graphite, so it grabs the paper really well and provides a nice dark line. Now we're going to make him look furry and give him a tummy. He likes to eat chocolate Easter eggs. Look at those big feet. I bet he can jump really far with feet like that. Let's draw some grass, and since it's springtime, we'll add some flowers. What kind of flowers do you think these are? You're right, they're tulips. You did a great job with your Easter Bunny. Be sure to have your parents post a picture of it at RoboTots on Instagram so I can see it. Well, that's it for today. Draw, 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 and practice every day. I'll see you next time.